Today's video will look at the features and functions of the ChainMate Counter. ChainMate Counter is a device to monitor the length of chain deployed through an electric windlass. The device has 4 modes. Currently we're in sleep mode for energy conservation and to reduce lighting. 5 milliamp draw is all it's consuming at this point. For today's video we have a simulation. We're using an automotive winch and control and the ChainMate counter for the display. To move into run mode, either press the button once, that brings it up. We'll hold that display for 4 seconds. The other way is to activate the windlass control. Currently we're in feet mode. There are 2 lengths of measurement, feet and meters. To reset the counter to 0, you press and hold the button for approximately 4 seconds until the 000 appears. You then release and press the button again and it will 0 it. To change the length of measurements, press and hold the button, approximately 8 seconds, you'll go through the reset mode and into the units change mode. You can then move back and forth between meters and feet. I'll leave it in feet. The final mode is calibration, where a set length of chain road 10 feet is deployed and returned during the calibration process. To get into calibration, you press and hold the button, approximately 10 seconds. Calibration mode will be indicated by the cal. Once that appears, you deploy your 10 feet. Return it. A successful calibration is indicated by a steady cal display. The device is very simple to install. 2 wires go to the battery, plus and minus, and 2 wires go to your output of your windlass control. Has a range of 990 feet or 300 meters. Is waterproof, so it can be installed either in the cockpit or the anchor locker. Thank you.